welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacey Flowers and I am a student of Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University and on a journey to become 100% debt free. My current debt is nearly $200,000. My income ranges from $1,500 to $2,000 a month. I work part-time and I just opened my company quarter time and it is becoming profitable. In this video, I'm going to be going over my budget report card for the first week of August. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching. Okay, so I wanted to change things up just a little bit because with me setting audacious financial goals for my company and with the level of cognitive dissonance that is coming up, I am needing to check in a little bit more just to stay on track with what I'm doing financially. So the big thing is, instead of checking in monthly, I'm going to check in weekly just so I can stay on task of managing my money and moving towards these debts. So quickly, what am I grateful for this first week of August? And that is the level of productivity that I've had. It has been out of this world, amazing. I'm super stoked about that. Work so far this week is me planning my day the night before. Getting back to that has been really helpful because I have my top priorities of things that I want to get done in each day, and it just allows the day to be so much more awesome. What didn't work this month, I think it's becoming, so for those of you who watch my budget report card, you guys know that I'm eating on a very lean budget until I get my next paycheck, and that's actually a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be because my food is my fuel, right? And so I am like hungry. I'm hungry and I think it may be affecting my energy, and so I may have to take a little bit of money just to get some other sustenance for these for this upcoming week, because I do feel like from an energy perspective it's not awesome. So what do I need to start doing? I really need to plan what I'm going to eat the next week. And then what do I need to stop doing? I think I'm doing good so far. I mean, outside of the food thing, no, I know what I need to stop doing. I need to stop ruminating on things so much, because again, the cognitive dissonance, it's just melting my brain, and so I'm just ruminating on stuff that I just either need to do or trash. And if it's in the trash, let it be in the trash, and if I'm going to do it, then I just need to do it. Now let me quickly take you over my shoulder, give you the every dollar view of where I spent my money this week. So if you are looking at the budget, you will see for August 2018, I am $10.69 over budget. And that is because when I transferred my numbers from my handwritten budget to my digital budget, I did not transfer them properly, which I'll explain a little bit more later. Let's get into the budget. The paycheck, I received my first paycheck. I planned on receiving $450. I actually earned $541.33. That is the income that we are working with this week. You come down, I have my tithe payment of $220. I actually sent $225, and this was just another error that I made because I wasn't paying attention. Truthfully, when I made my tithe payment, my budget wasn't in front of me, and so I knew that it was around this amount, and so I just sent $225. But this is one of the reasons why I wanted to check in every week, because these little $5 nuances are, you know, my income is still very low, and I want to learn how to manage this well, because $5 quickly becomes $50, $50 quickly becomes $500, and $500 quickly becomes $5,000. And if I can't be mindful about where I'm spending $5, I'm not going to be as mindful as I want to be about spending $50, $500, and $5,000. And so even though it's going to a great, amazing place, it's still $5 over what I plan to spend, right? The same thing with my child support. Because I knew my tithe and my child support were the same number, I just sent that same number, again, making me $5 over budget in that particular area. The other issue that came up with child support is that on my paper line, child support commission and the Apple iTunes payment for my son's iTunes is all one category. So the $220, 10% of my income, actually includes the Apple iTunes. However, when it's in this budget, they're separate line items. And so when I sent the $225, I forgot to subtract out the $1069 that would be debited from my account, because those transactions don't happen on the same day. And so technically, well, not technically, so I still have the $10.69 remaining that I'm just going to pay out of my account. And then I oversent, you know, $15.69 in child support this month, which again It's not a terrible thing. I am grateful to give more in these categories, but it is a piss poor money management problem that I want to solve. So emergency fund, I don't need to add anything to my emergency fund because it's fully funded. I have not paid my rent, my electricity, my gas, or my cooking gas this month, but I did pay my cell phone bill of $35.82. I have not purchased any groceries this month. I've been eating from my pantry, gone out a couple of times with friends, and then I've also been given some food items from my part-time job, just because I've been doing a great job and they had some items that they were able to give to me. I haven't spent anything on transportation yet. My renter's insurance of $575 did come out. My life insurance did not come out. Therapy has not come out, and I've actually made the decision to go to therapy one time this month, so you will see in an upcoming budget that this number will be different. I gave myself no dollars for personal hygiene, no dollars for household pantry, no dollars for laundry, no dollars for clothing. I gave myself $13.22 for pocket money, and I did give myself that pocket money on my payday of August 3rd. And then I gave myself no dollars for home decor. Down to my debts for PayPal, you all know that my goal is to pay off my PayPal balance this month. I owe $453.07, and so I'm working towards paying that. Per my allocated spending plan, there were payments built in, but as I've been receiving extra money this month, I've been putting it towards my PayPal balance. And so far, I have put an extra $35.97 toward my PayPal balance, which I'm really excited about that because it obviously reduces the amount that I would have to take out of the planned income that I have, and ideally that would just roll over to my City Girl events balance. And then I have not made any payments on my City Girl events this month. So far, that is my budget for August 2018. And if we're just looking at 7 days, in 7 days, I've made I've made 3 errors, and they're errors that total an amount of $20.69, which, while my income is low, that is significant. I don't have an additional $20.69 to just, throw out the window, right? Like, I need to be mindful of where my $20.69 is going. Now, granted, my paycheck was a lot more this month than what I anticipated, and so some of those things are going to be able to shake out in the wash, but I want to get to the point in my budgeting skills where things don't shake out in the wash. Things are just paid because that's what I plan to pay, and I actually did what I said I was going to do. Not something else, but what I said I was going to do. And if I'm doing something else, I'm doing something else because I truly indeed have the funds to be able to do it. And so I'm just trying to clean up these little nuances, because as I'm expanding my paradigm to reach my intention for the month, which is to earn $10,000, it is money goes where it's managed, and the better I can manage this money, the more confident I will feel. More confident I feel, the more I will let money come into my life. So that's where I'm at right now. As far as the background image that was on my computer, a link will be in the description box for you guys. And then if you have any questions, please just let me know. You guys know I deeply appreciate you for supporting my work. And every time I get a chance to come on here just to express myself, you guys have no idea how much I'm learning. And I just want to say thank you. So until next time, I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.